Here we are seeing them as a heroes on the field, okay, and we are very proud of everybody, every artist who have participated in this.
No light boys, no spot boys, no action, and no replays and no retakes. You got to play, and then if you get out, you got to walk out, no?
No, Atul, there is an action. There is an action. Everything is there. Of course, directors, all the audience are the directors here.
And what do you think about the support in Bangalore today? It's lovely, isn't it? Even the first game when the home team was not playing, the support was amazing.
Yes, of course, Bangalore, we love them, and Bangaloreans are great. You know, to support us, it's wonderful.
Yeah, Bangalore has given super cricketers to India as well, you know. And I think Mumbai Indians is getting some action going, so you got to be worried now, yeah?
No, I'm proud of them also.
So all we're looking for is a good game. I hope it's a close encounter. Doesn't matter if it's a low scoring one. Over to you.
These industries have been complementing each other. These industries have been complementing each other for the longest time possible. This is the first time they're competing against each other, and still the camaraderie is there for everyone to see.
రాజా తరఫు నుంచి 30 చేరుకున్నాను స్కోర్ ఈసారి వైడ్ డెలివరీ
spectra, yeah, I agree with you.
వైడ్స్ ఎక్స్ట్రాస్ ఖాతాలో మరొక
Film industry and
స్కోర్ కంటే కూడా ఎక్స్ట్రా స్కోర్ ఎక్కువ
really get the pulse of the citizens going. They keep us as one nation, and through that we learn a lot. And believe me, I think whatever we see in the movie is just a reflection of what life is in the current scenario, isn't it?
Absolutely, just it's like a mirror. Whatever is happening in society is reflected in the movies as well. And if you see whoever we've spoken to today, see the crowd, see the stars. Everyone has praised each other. These games have been played in great sportsman spirit, and isn't that being an Indian all about? Because you want to praise, you want to appreciate what others are doing as well.
It definitely is such a diverse nation with so many different cultures and so many different languages that we need something to unify us, and there's no better place than on the cricket field to do that. It's 15 gone, 110 for 4.
They've come in numbers, they've supported them, they've stood in their thick and thin, and now we're getting into that business end of their innings.
ధాటిగా ఆడాల్సిన పరిస్థితి 6 వికెట్లు ఇంకా చేతిలో ఉన్నాయి ముంబై హీరోస్ కు. చూడాలి ఏ రకంగా ఆడతారు. మొదటి
big heave from Raja, who has changed gears in the last couple of overs.
ఎటువంటి పరుగులు లేకుంటే కనుక ముంబై ఇండియన్స్ రాజా ఇన్నింగ్స్ తప్ప మిగతా వాళ్ళు
still have a say here.
లేదని చెప్పుకోవచ్చు.
Ball is darting around,
తప్పకుండా
and even for somebody like
అయితే
Raja, who's been around for nearly 15 overs, is still having problems. Sunil Shetty wondering when his turn would come to bat.
అతను బ్యాటింగ్ చేయడం అనేది మనకు
He is waiting in anticipation.
కూడా చేరుకోవడం మనం చూసాం. తర్వాత మంత్రి మరొక సింగిల్ లభించే అవకాశం.
Driven it down the covers region for a single, but I'm afraid they need more than single
చాలా
now.
చురుగ్గా
That is
ఫీల్డింగ్
Mumbai
చేయడంతో
Heroes.
ముంబై ఆటగాళ్లు
Singles
ఎక్కువగా
would
పరుగులు
do well
సాధించలేని
only
పరిస్థితి
if
కనిపిస్తుంది.
they're followed by a boundary or a six. Because 6 and over, I think Karnataka Bulldozers would be happy to give that away as long as
స్కోరింగ్ రేట్
4s and the 6s are not happening.
ఇంతవరకు సఫలీకృతమైంది కర్ణాటక జట్టు స్థానబలం లోపల
Mumbai Heroes might review their strategy at the end of this over.
షార్ట్ డెలివరీ చేశాడు.
Struck a body blow, well fielded there on the long on fence.
ఫీల్డింగ్ గురించి మరోసారి చక్కటి ఫీల్డింగ్
Very athletic.